How you can make money on YouTube with AI influencers full tutorial. Imagine scrolling through your social media and stumbling upon an influencer who never sleeps, never eats, never gets tired of creating content. For example, this one or this one. As you can see here, we have over 300 followers, and there's here various pictures, a lot of likes and comments. So this is an AI influencer. That means it doesn't exist and you can use it to earn money with it. Dive into the world of AI influencers, where virtual personalities are defining the rules of social media marketing and raking in cash like never before. This is the power of AI influencers. You don't have to show your face, you don't have to do the voiceover, you don't have even to write the script. And a lot of AI influencers earns millions of dollars. In this video, I'll show you how to create one and how to earn money with it. So first step you need to start your video on YouTube using AI influencer is creating your AI character. But don't worry, you don't have to create it because we have here eHasian is AI based tool can be utilized or used to generate AI characters. So all you have to do is open your web browser and type hygiene.com. As you can see here, we have two options to get started. So you can choose the one you want, and as you can see here, we have a lot of options: use case, features, sources, company, and this one. So you can read this information to know how hygiene.com works. And if we scroll down over here, you'll find a lot of information about AI avatars. So here we have various ones. So to get started, you can click on this one. So you can choose the one you want, and then you will enter your email, your verification code, then your answer to for a few questions, and after finishing your inscription or signing up, it will lead you to this home page. So as you can see here, we have recent creations, my recent creations. So you can also find hygiene learning guide. So you can find here a lot of information to more understand how you can start with AI Studio, video avatar, AI voice, video translation. So you can get more information here if you didn't understand how this website works. And here we have a template, so you can choose the one suit you if you want a template with AI character or AI avatar. So you can choose the one suit your content. And here we have avatar, so you can dive into video avatar to find more AI create characters. So you can just click over here and we'll find various avatars. So you can find a lot of avatars and you can choose the one you want or the one you like. So here we have, for example, this three dot is for if you want edit avatar or you get avatar ID, and here if you wanna start, so you can just click over here and then you will click on the landscape, because if you want to start with YouTube, so you can just click over here and it will lead you to this home page. So here we have a lot of options, so you can here for example you can change the place of your AI characters, so you can put it on the left or on the right or on the middle. Here we have animation, so you can choose the animation of your video, for example effect on enter, effect on leave, or if you wanna for example add a script, you can just click over here and then you can delete that one and you can add your script. So you can use ChatGPT for help, so you can just ask him for script and it will help you. Here if you want to translate all scripts, and here if you want to add a script, so you can add it here too. So here if you want to add post section, or added recording or upload audio. So you can also click over here to choose the voices used. So here we have various type of voices: natural one, explainer, ads, audiobooks, e-learning, narration, games. And you can also choose the language of your voice. So here we have various languages, and you can choose also the gender. If, for example, select a male AI character, you can click on male, and the same thing for female. Here we have the age, so you can choose the child voice, youth voice, middle age voice, older voice. And here we have a function if you want to pause it, export it, or adjustable speed or adjustable speech. So here we have a lot of various options to adjust your voice like you want. So as you can see here, we have a lot of or various options you can use to edit your video. And after finishing your editing, you can just click over here, submit, and you will download your video, and you'll have your AI character ready to publish it on your YouTube channel. So there's a lot of ideas you can use it for. For example, you can start as an affiliate. You can use your AI character or AI influencer as affiliate marketing. True platforms like Impact.com offers affiliate flexibility in terms of how they promote products or services, allowing them to work independently by promoting products or services through affiliate partnerships. Affiliates can earn commissions that mean you on sales generated through your referral links. So you can just choose the brands, and then you will promote their products or services, and then you will earn your commission. And here we have if you wanna, for example, create a video guide using an AI influencer, can be an engaging and innovative way to educate your audience by starting on defining your topic. So you can just choose a specific topic that you want to create a video guide about. This could be anything from an introduction to artificial intelligence to a deep dive into a specific AI application or technology, and then you will move to scripting. So you can just write a script for your video guide, or you can use ChatGPT to help you, including explanation, examples, and any demonstration you plan to include. Make sure the language is clear and conscious, suitable for both your target audience and AI influencer. So you can start just with these ideas or start with other ideas. There are various ways to start on YouTube using this AI influencer. And what are you waiting for? You can, as you can see, it's simple to create or to generate an AI avatar. So you can start earning money. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again on the next video.